Hello and welcome to DIGBITS TV. Today we're going to be talking about our mini excavator buckets. I'm just going to go through a quick rundown spec of the buckets themselves. We've got these little ones here which I'll be running through those now. So to begin with, all our buckets are manufactured in-house, where none of our bits of sub-assemblies are imported. It's all manufactured in the UK. All the metal is from the UK and obviously built and manufactured over the way there, so that's always good to know, and we pride ourselves on being British made as well. So the top structure here is a hot finish seamless tube, which is HFS tube for engineering talk, and which means basically the tube is manufactured by piercing a hot steel billet, and it's obviously hollowed out, so that way you ain't got a seam or it's not going to break easily. Now on machines up to say 4 tons we used a Welch forged side cutter instead of cast bolt-ons, and that's for 2 reasons. On the durability, so forgings are incredibly strong and hardware resistant, so more difficult to change than a bolt-on, but they will usually last longer and the life of the bucket as well. We use these similar materials on the larger excavator buckets as well. Here's one of the side cutters that we use. Like I say, obviously not bolted and it'll just weld on there, but they are built to last. And like I say, I know that we can't change them easily, but once this is all worn down, this will be worn down and it'll be time to replace it all anyway, so that's not a problem. And we do use a tough bucket to bolt on as well, which you see here. Obviously the smaller ones will have one, then obviously you go up, you get more and more teeth, but they're a lot easier to change than having your weld-on ones. Obviously the bigger buckets we do will have the weld-on cap tips, which again will be a lot better, but we could always do that in another video at some point anyway. The smaller buckets, these are often used for like utility works, for like putting optical cables in, the water pipes, gas pipes and all that sort of thing. So the user tends to take off the tough, but obviously we've got these side cutters on here which will just penetrate it and do the job perfectly anyway. So, and the beauty of being able to take this off is when you are putting in your cables, you're not going to pick up any of the cables and rip them out and cause a lot of expensive work. So that's why we do that on there. One thing I'll go over as well, we've got roughly over 40 different setups for these buckets. So obviously if you ring up and let us know what machine you've got, or you're not too sure, if you give us the setup, your pin diameter, the centers and the gap, we can always have a look what we've got in stock and we should be able to help you out. We do an array of different buckets from like Kubotas, Cats, JCBs, even the Sannies and all the new imports as well. So we try our best to keep a lot of those in stock and also make them to order as well. So these have got thick bucket sides. All digging buckets on machines up to 1.9 tons have a heavy single plate on the side here, which you can see. Thanks for watching this video, and give us a like, share.